The Zojirushi stainless bottle is a great way to take your favorite beverage with you, wherever you go. Made with high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, this bottle comes in two sizes, 27-ounce and 34-ounce. Its sleek stainless steel finish and black lid are attractive for any personal style, and the adjustable and removable strap makes it convenient to carry too. Along with the beautiful finish, its double wall construction is vacuum insulated, so drinks stay hot or cold for extended periods of time. The bottle's lid turns into a standalone cup, and a stopper with a one-touch button allows for easy and smooth pouring through the spout. The non-stick coated interior repels stains and odors, and the extra-wide 2-inch opening makes it easy to fill, even with full-sized ice cubes. Plus, all areas that come into contact with your beverage are BPA-free. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
The Zulay Kitchen Premium Pineapple Corer, made with high-quality stainless steel and triple welded for extra strength. Designed with a non-slip, easy grip handle. With super sharp serrated blades, it can easily slice through and remove the core of pineapples effortlessly. The handle comes off, so you can slide off the perfect pineapple ring slices with ease. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Apple Corer, with its ergonomic, comfortable grip, includes stainless steel twin blades with sharp, serrated tips designed to smoothly core through any apple. These blades are made durable and are strong enough to withstand a tremendous amount of force, so you don't have to worry about any bending or breaking. Coring an apple has never been so easy. And there you have it, the Zulay Premium Apple Corer. Get yours today.